fun and creative Matchbox craft ideas for videos. Welcome back to our channel 90 Action We Create. Today we are diving into the world of Matchbox crafts. From tiny textures and miniature marvels, these projects are sure to spark your imagination and ignite to your crafting possession. Without further ado, let's explore fun and creative Matchbox craft ideas. If you like these ideas, please like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon in this video. Share to your friends and family members. Transform your Matchbox into a tiny world of wonder. Create miniature scenes using paper, paint, tiny figures, whether it's a serene garden or a bustling cityscape. These possibilities are endless. Turn a Matchbox into a texture straw. Decorate the exterior with the glitter gems and a metallic paint. Then fill the inside with tiny textures like beads, buttons, or a fox jewels. Capture memories and miniature with a Matchbox Camera. Construct a tiny camera using cardboard and paper, complete with a viewfinder and a shutter button. It's paper for a dollhouse, photography, and imagination play. If you are new here, kindly like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon on this video. Share to your friends and family members. Conceal secrets in a Matchbox with a hidden compartment. Cut and fold the Matchbox interior to create a hidden compartment for storing small trinkets, notes, or for surprises. Create a cozy reading nook in a Matchbox. Craft tiny books, folios, and blankets to furnish and miniature library inside the Matchbox. It's charming addition to any dollhouse or a miniature scene. If you like these ideas, so please like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon on this video. Share to your friends and family members. Bring a touch of greenery into your space and Matchbox trim. Fill the Matchbox with the soil, moss, and miniature plants. To create tiny garden nooks, add tiny figures or decoration to complete the scene. Challenge your mind with the Matchbox puzzle box. Add these to have a create Matchbox ideas to ignite your create and inspire your next time. So don't forget like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.